Tandon, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance. Youth Pradushan ke Virudh. Delhi Chief Minister launched an anti-air pollution campaign named Youth Pradushan ke Virudh for cleaner national capital. Under this campaign, the state has prepared separate plans for all the 13 pollution hotspots in the city. The focus area of the campaign include transplantation of trees, adoption of electric vehicles and dust control. The Green Delhi app, a photo-based compliant loading app, will be launched to take action against specific pollution activities reported by Delhi citizens. PVH 2020. Niti Aayog, the New and Renewable Energy Ministry and Invest India will organize a global symposium virtually India PVH 2020. The summit is being organized in order to catalyze cutting-edge solar cell manufacturing in India. International webinar on textile traditions. Prime Minister addressed the first of its kind international webinar on textile traditions organized by Indian Council for Cultural Relations and Uttarakhand Institution of Design. The webinar was held to commemorate the 158th birth anniversary celebrations of Mahatma Gandhi and the theme Weaving Relations, Textile Traditions. The webinar was organized for exchange of ideas and sharing the best practices among weaves from different countries and also to enable creation of new avenues for collaboration. The diversity in our textile shows the richness of our culture. If Andhra Pradesh has the Kalamkari, Munga silk in Assam's pride. Kashmir is home to the Pashmina Pulkaris add pride to Punjab's culture. If Gujarat is famous for Patolas, Banaras has made a mark for its saris. There is Chanderi fabric in Madhya Pradesh and vibrant Sabalpuri fabric in Odisha. Dale Kursani. The red cherry pepper chili of Sikkim, Dale Kursani, earned the geographical indication tag from the Union Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. Grown in Sikkim and regions of Darjeeling, Dale Kursani belongs to the capsicum family and is known to be amongst the most extreme in terms of heat. Infrastructure. First 100% solar powered airport. AAI achieved a major success by converting the Union Territory of Puducherry's airport into its first entirely solar powered airport in the country. Example, absolutely power neutral airport. A 500 kWp ground mounted solar power plant is commissioned at a cost of rupees 2.8 crore. The Airports Authority of India has set a target of transforming the of southern regional airports into renewable energy. Example, the power neutral region by 2025 energy by installing its first solar power plant of 750 kWp capacity at Calicut International Airport, Kerala in 2016. Science and Technology, High Performance Computing and Artificial Intelligence. The Center for Development of Advanced Computing will commission the India's largest high performance computing and artificial intelligence supercomputer, Param Siddhi AI. The supercomputer will have 210 AI petaflops. The computer will use NVIDIA Next Generation Technology, CDAC, software stack and cloud platform. Fukuoka supercomputer from Japan with its speed 415 petaflops is the world's fastest supercomputer. The Param-Siddhi AI will consist of 42 blocks of NVIDIA's DGX AI A100 building blocks. The hardware will be entirely imported from US-based NVIDIA software for the HPC AI engine software frameworks. Cloud platform will be developed by CDAC. Zoo infection. Xanthomonas oryzae.
Xanthomonas oryzae PV.
Zoo infection. Xanthomonas oryzae PV. Oryzae is commonly known as zoo infection. Zoo is a gram-negative bacteria. It is a bacterial leaf blight disease in rice. It is also known as bacterial blight. It causes huge yield losses to rice cultivation in both temperate and tropical regions, especially in Asia. Scientists from the Center for Plant Molecular Biology have uncovered the mechanism by which a bacterium called zoo interacts with rice plants and causes disease. Modern grand solar minimum. The magnitude of the sun's solar activity is decreasing. The period of decreased solar activity is known as the modern grand solar minimum that will last from 2020 to 2053. This is done by observing the number of sunspots at any given time. The last time such an event occurred was during the Maunder minimum from 1645 CE to 1710 CE. Zoo infection. Xanthomonas oryzae PV. Oryzae is commonly known as zoo infection. Zoo is a gram-negative bacteria. It is a bacterial leaf blight disease in rice. It is also known as bacterial blight. It causes huge yield losses to rice cultivation in both temperate and tropical regions, especially in Asia. Scientists from the Center for Plant Molecular Biology have uncovered the mechanism by which a bacterium called zoo interacts with rice plants and causes disease. Modern grand solar minimum. The magnitude of the sun's solar activity is decreasing. The period of decreased solar activity is known as the modern grand solar minimum that will last from 2020 to 2053. This is done by observing the number of sunspots at any given time. The last time such an event occurred was during the Maunder minimum from 1645 CE to 1710 CE. Security. Anti-submarine torpedo system. The Defense Research and Development Organization successfully test-fired the missile-assisted release of a lightweight anti-submarine torpedo system for anti-submarine warfare. Missile-assisted release of torpedo. SMART gives capability for ASW operations for beyond torpedo range. A number of DRDO laboratories, including RCI Hyderabad, DRDL, NSTL Visakhapatnam, AGRGE Agra have developed the technologies that were required for SMART. Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement. AUS Navy P-8A long-range maritime patrol aircraft landed at Port Blair in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands for refueling under the bilateral logistics support agreement. Several countries have expressed interest in getting access to the strategically located A and N islands, which are close to the Strait of Malacca and global sea lanes of communication.
Once more. Port player nu sollano. It's not port player.
Shaurya surface-to-surface nuclear-capable ballistic missile. India successfully test-fired a new version of Shaurya surface-to-surface nuclear-capable ballistic missile that can hit targets at around 800 km range. The new version of Shaurya missile would be inducted in the strategic forces to complement the existing missile of the same class. The new missile will be lighter and easier to operate in comparison with the existing missile. International relations. India, Myanmar. 19th round of Foreign Office consultations between India and Myanmar was held virtually. It is held to review the entire gamut of relations, including border cooperation and the ongoing restoration work on earthquake damaged Pogados in Bangan. A webinar was organized between both nations on the Kaladan multimodal project to discuss the scope and scale for accelerating diplomatic efforts for the successful implementations of the Kaladan project.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my